Hello everyone, this is Anushka Rao and welcome back to my channel where I keep posting videos about strategies and how to prepare for your CA exams. So this can be helpful for your preparation as well. So वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से भी पहले व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू टेल कि फर्स्ट ये मेरी स्ट्रैटेजी है, सेकंड ये ICAI है एंड थर्ड दिस इज CA फाइनल. सो ICAI कैन बी वेरी अनप्रेडिक्टिव इन द एग्जाम्स. आई डोंट नो इफ़ ये स्ट्रैटेजी आपके केस में वर्क करेगी कि नहीं, बट सम ऑफ द tips and tricks I would like to give, and I think it can be helpful to everyone who is giving their CA finals. को मेरे finals के लिए I had prepared for both groups first attempt only in 3 months. मेरे को सिर्फ 3 months का ही लीव मिला था because of some personal issue. मैंने already leaves avail कर लिए थे during my articleship, so I knew कि मेरे को 5 months का leave नहीं मिलने वाला है during my final preparation. So I was very well prepared for that and I knew मेरे को सिर्फ 3 months ही मिलने वाले हैं. So what I did was कि मैंने प्रिपरेशन पहले ही स्टार्ट कर दिया था even prior to my preparatory leave. So I used to study, revise, solve during my articleship, like even when I was in office prior to my preparatory leave. But I must say they were helpful. Definitely they were helpful. That helped me get in the momentum, but that were not very effective. Like to work your brain for 14-15 hours every day. To handle the work pressure, the workload, and also to study along with that, like it is very exhausting. But all I did was kept going on. Like the one thing was discipline. That was all which I followed. Now I would like to tell how I cracked my CA final group 2 in the very first attempt along with an exemption in the AFM paper. So what I did was, let's start subject wise. During my PL I had started with the subject which was my favorite, AFM. I started my preparation with that, and मैंने किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के लिए I had not purchased lectures of any faculty. All I did was, firstly, during my office, prior to my leave, I had completed lectures of each and every subject. Like all I did in my PL was just revise. Prior to that, I had completed my each and every lectures. The lectures which I referred to were ICAI's attempt specific lecture. Like they release lectures for CA Foundation, CA Inter and CA Final for every attempt, which are freely available on YouTube, and you can also join them live during they are getting conducted. So live तो मेरे लिए possible नहीं था, but I attended the recorded lectures which are freely available on YouTube. If you want, I can pin down the link in the description. Firstly, they were very helpful for me in my case because I understand things quickly in English, and these lectures are English. Also, when you're attempting the papers, when you're giving the exams you have to write in English. So these lectures are very helpful because बाकी सारे lectures, though they are in Hindi, they are easy to understand, I agree, but you have to write a paper in English language, and these lectures help you to get the terms, the keywords, and the concepts getting clear. I had did that lectures. Then when my PL started, what I did was, for the AFM subject, firstly मैंने theory पूरा solve कर लिया था, for which I refer to PV Eduspace करके एक YouTube channel है. So his lectures for theory I refer to, and मैंने theory के marks secure कर लिए थे, like the 20 marks. I had given full coverage for it, and I had not left single concept because theory is of free ka marks. Then comes the practical ones. For the practical subject, I had solved each and every sum, each and every question, and also Pratik Jagati sir के lectures, marathons available है, revision sessions भी available है on YouTube that you can refer to everything. I referred to was free. I had not purchased any notes. I had not purchased any lecture. I studied from self-study, and also also the lectures available on YouTube. Thanks to all those faculties who provide lectures freely for to YouTube. Those are very helpful to students like us. So I had referred to his lectures for AFM, and I had solved my module at least 3 to 4 times. Like मैंने each and every sum of the AFM module को solve किया था, written down. Also theory भी मैंने 1-2 बार solve करके देख ली थी. But AFM की theory is not like ratification, so you can use your own language, but it should be to the concept, like it should be to the mark, not word to word. That was my strategy for AFM. Then comes the second subject which I took was DT IDT. For me personally, DT is not my very strongest subject. So मैंने जो भी lectures किए थे, firstly इतने अच्छे से हुए नहीं थे. So what I did was I referred to Vijay Sada sir's YouTube revision series which is available. He also publishes his series of revision or fast track revision series of DT prior to each and every attempt. So I referred that, and like 1.5 से 2 घंटे का वीडियो उनका है एक कंसेप्ट के बारे में. दैट आई यूज टू वॉच एंड देन सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, अगेन रिविजन लेक्चर एंड देन द क्वेश्चंस विच आई हैड सॉल्व फॉर DT. ऑल्सो सी आरिश खान सर का एक YouTube compilation वीडियो है in which he has compiled like all the RTPs, MTPs, past year question papers for DT in one video. I had referred that, and I had solved that compilation like 3 to 4 times, and also I had referred it prior to 1.5 days, and it helped me a lot, and must say it is very helpful for preparation of DT. Because you can guess the patterns, and you can understand the ICAI's trend, and this helps very much while solving your DT paper. Next comes the IDT. Firstly मैंने custom का पूरा portion I had covered up. I had solved each and every sum, each and every concept I had covered in the customs, and custom एक बार perfect हो जाए, then I shifted to GST. And also in the GST I prepared all the small chapters like assessment, penalty, procedures and all that chapters. मैंने पहले revise किए, and then I used to shift to like the bigger chapters like the BOS, TOS, POS, because ये सारे chapters हमने इंटर से भी इतने बार revise किए that these provisions and these concepts are very well in your mind. You don't need to put in much energy, time and effort while revising these chapters. So I took it in the last, and सबसे important like the ITC chapter I used to take always at last, because though it is very vast and though it is important, but ITC के adjustment, they are most of the times they are tricky and they are very lengthy, and it mainly comes in the first question, like the first compulsory question of the of the IDT paper. So what I did was first I covered the rest of the syllabus, and then I shifted to ITC. इसके लिए I had referred to Riddhi Bagmar ma'am's YouTube revision series sessions. She also has marathon, and also she has compilation series also. That was very helpful for me for IDT preparation. Then IBS के लिए I have already released a video. I will pin down the link in the description so that you can refer for my IBS strategy. Then comes the FR. For me, FR I took it at the last because it is not my very favorite subject. But it is not my very favorite subject, but but करना तो था. So what I picked it up at last, and इसके लिए very helpful for me was AK sir's revision series. Like I think he is the best faculty on YouTube for the FR revisions. He does not make that subject boring, though it is very vast, but उनके lectures से it is very clear and crisp. So the concept get revised very quickly. I had referred to his revision videos for that. And मैंने सारे small Indians small chapters उठाए थे first of all FR के लिए. I solved it first, I made them perfect, and then I shifted on to the big Indias like the leases, the financial instruments, revenue for contracts and etc. So सारे big Indias I had done at the last, and also consolidation was not my very priority क्योंकि consolidation के लिए firstly very tricky adjustments and it is a very lengthy question. तो पहले ही question अगर बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी है so बाकी सारे concept पे ज़्यादा focus नहीं हो पाता. So what I did was सारे छोटे छोटे concept, छोटे छोटे indices, I made them perfect. I solved each and every sum on that, and then I shifted to the big indices. Also while revising, one strategy I followed कि एक big index and then 2 to 3 small indices. Then again I would shift to one big index and then again 2 to 3 small indices. So like that my revision strategy was. So that there is no mental fatigue and you can study FR also in one stretch. And audit के लिए it did not work well, but one thing which I had followed for audit is like writing practice is a must in audit because you tend to read and forget things in audit, and you have to put in the exact words and the exact language on the paper in case of audit, which is possible only when you have writing practice. So writing is is very must for preparation of audit. And one thing I would like to say for my entire preparation in the CA journey, I had stuck only to the ICAI material. I have not referred to any extra material from the faculties. Though their resources are very useful, I referred them whenever I got stuck, but I had done revisions only from ICAI's material only. So you can crack your CA exams without purchasing any classes. It is possible only if you make a habit for yourself, and these days there are very easy free resources available on YouTube, so you can make great use of it. And I'm thankful to all the faculties which are mentioned in the videos, and also other faculties which I have referred during my CA final journey. Their free resources were very useful, and I tell you that these will be helpful to you, so please do refer them. And this was all from my side for today's video. Comment down if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, and do tell me how you like the video. And that's all from my side, so bye bye.